Everybody, today we're going to talk about how you can use LandingPad to export your 3D model and bring into other 3D programs for rendering or continued creation. I'm actually going to use a model from our asset library today. If you guys would like to follow along, we just need to hit that drop down in the asset library, go to our templates folder, find our generic running 3D model and double click on that preview chip. Once we double click on it, it'll expand into a larger preview window, which we can visualize the model that we're going to be exporting. From here, I can actually adjust which layers are visible. One thing to keep in mind here is any layer that is hidden will not export with your model. Once I'm happy with the layers that are visible and the model showing is what I want to export exactly, I just need to click on the Export tab. Once we're in the Export tab, you'll notice we have a list of preset exports. In this case, I'm going to select Modo. That is going to be the primary program that I use for continued modeling. The only setting that we really need to keep an eye on here is the sub-D export. You'll notice there's two different options. Your control mesh is going to be your lower poly mesh that you were using inside of Gravity Sketch. This is primarily for continued modeling. If you want to texture and material objects, select rendered mesh. That rendered mesh is going to be a baked, more dense version of your control mesh that you used. Because we want to continue modeling, I'm going to select control mesh and then click export. Once I've exported my model, I just need to go to the Cloud Exports Beta tab and download the model that I've exported from my window. Once we've downloaded our 3D file from LandingPad, we can import it into Modo. Once imported into Modo, you'll notice our subdivision geometry will have carried forward with us and we continue our modeling process.